The New Balance 991 V2 continues to strengthen its reputation in 2025 with the launch of the Gold Earth Edition, a sneaker that emphasizes subtle elegance and refined construction. Similar to past pairs like the Caramel Cafe and Catawaba Grape, this release blends minimal aesthetics with standout detailing, showcasing a burnt orange upper and a split midsole in white and off-white tones balanced by understated accents. Handcrafted in Flimby, the shoe uses premium pig suede and leather, reinforcing both durability and sophistication that transcend everyday sneaker standards. This quality craftsmanship explains its premium $250 retail price, a cost many sneaker fans accept for the mix of versatility and luxury. Already on shelves at select retailers, the Gold Earth is set for a wider rollout through New Balance and official partners on September 11, ensuring broader accessibility for collectors and enthusiasts alike.